loves, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thulisile Kolweni. If you are new here, welcome, and if you are my day one, welcome back, my loves. You guys know what it is or what I do. So I am starting a new vlog. I'm so sorry that I'm starting a vlog in a car, but yeah, we are on our way to Alberton to do groceries, and this vlog is gonna be a weekend vlog. So I'm gonna keep you guys posted on what we do and what I do tomorrow until Sunday, and I think I will upload it sometime next week. I'm just not sure when next week, but I will upload it next week. I just uploaded a video today. Today is Saturday, it's Friday afternoon, so yeah, let me catch with you guys when we get to Alberton. So here, my loves, we went to Alberton. We went to so many places. We went to Clicks, we went to Shoprite, we went to a butchery. I'm just not sure, I can't remember now the name of it, but we went to a butchery as well to buy some meat. This was us coming from Clicks, getting like supplies for toiletries and everything else. And we also went to Westpac. At Westpac, we were just getting car stuff like polishes for the car, the tires and stuff like that. So it was an eventful day, and this was Friday, I believe. Yeah, I think this was Friday, and we ended up not buying something. We ended up buying something to eat at Nando's because we went to Westpac and everything took longer. You see, this was us going to Nando's and the queue was ridiculous at the drive-thru. So I ended up getting off the car and going to buy, and this was us coming back. It was so late. There was no way I was gonna cook so late. So we ended up buying something to eat and coming back and going to see a friend. And then we went straight home. Mind you, I had done laundry the morning, and we came back and it was raining, so the clothes were not dry, so we had to like leave them there and take them in the morning when they are dry. But yeah, this was us. Good morning, my loves. So this is next day, and yesterday we went to Alberton and bought everything that we needed to buy, and well, most of the stuff actually, not everything. So I'll have to go and buy other things, but we're not doing that today, child. I just woke up. I am busy doing something for breakfast that we're gonna have, and after that I'm gonna take a shower, clean the house. Well, I'm gonna first clean the house and then take a shower, and then I'll probably do my face. I'm not sure if I'm gonna do my face in front of the camera or not, but today I'm going out with my girls and I am so excited because I haven't seen both of them actually in a while, and yeah, the other one I haven't seen since primary school grade. Baby, what is standard 5? Since grade 7. Since grade 7. So I haven't seen her in like since grade 7. So I'm hoping I'm gonna be able to vlog a little bit of that and bring you guys with me on that, but obviously I'm gonna have to be like ask them first if they would like to be on my channel or whatever, and see if they're comfortable with that suggestion or that idea. But yeah, that's what I am gonna do today. I will show you my outfit and I will show you, I don't know, maybe when I'm doing my face I'll show that part, but I'm not really sure, we'll see. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm gonna quickly finish making something to eat, and I will see you maybe when I'm having my breakfast. I don't know. So yeah, see you then. What are you adding? Baby, you will never know how good oats is just as it is if you gotta add things to it.
I know. I've been there. I've done.
You've done it without anything.
Ndithela ukupela uthi bheke. Uveze KFC phaa itshotshe emsamo.
Oh.
Uthi video yiza. Nansi breakfast ndilapha eForce.
Oh.
La ngenze ngicithe ngwe. Ndithi naku awu impohla sivuka ngo-KFC. And I no thanks bra. Bendivuke ngemuzi. And then after English breakfast. Let her go. What do you mean?
Into better cool. If you want to try, you want to try.
Oh, yeah. Uyenza kamnandi. Mna kumsibe brown.
You overcook it. Or what?
Do I?
I don't know. So now I'm in the car. I am just waiting for my person to come and drive us, and I am running a little bit late, but I'm sure my friend is gonna forgive me then. So let's go to Santon Sunday. I have to ask. Yes. This is what the Eastern Cape. I'm so thirsty. So we had to catch up. I mean, I've seen Annalisa. The last time I saw her was probably in November 2005 actually, not even 2015. So this was 17 years later, literally.
Last time I remember, kwa grade 9 besendlala sibuya esikolweni siyahamba ndiphethe ibag wandibona umakazi. I think it was grade 9. No, grade 8. Yeah, 8, 9. Not 9 kodwa. Yo, from that day not no more. What?
Ugcobisa mamele yakhumbula sifuna uyobona kulo Gcobisa. Engafuni uGcobisa. Awuyini nami makazi.
Siyazavula. Ngakele nalifika nijonge yonke indawo. Guys, makazi nina. Hayi lalingafakwa kwasisipha. But vele bangathi uyabulawa. Ingxaki yazi into yazi I don't mind.
Abantu bazoyika eklasini. Ndizacibisa ke sikhunda ukati ukhethapile nje.
Wanguye alojonga engathi sikafuna sakhe andiyazi endisasinjani sasesikwe sibomvu
hayi ndikazi nalathi kwakusemanjani. Oh my god,
linwe dala amazipho dala abanje siyamazina
yazi
nenwele hayi
ndandinithi mna shem. One thing about me,
ngiyakhumbula
one thing about me,
masiba ne-assignments nento mnazo asinazo thina zazacela undibekela kwemva
ii-flowers zitshem.
no, this is not a flower.
Oh, over. Intoni bayi?
Sakhumbula i-assignment zonompozolo nentoni ne-project nentoni thina singabi nazo sizilahla.
Gayizini niyakhumbula sikopa i-NS. Sikopa i-NS. I don't even know who influenced us. I can't remember.
And I found nice. Corruption iyafana no. Hayi mna ndawa corruption.
Singesoyika ubhaqwa. Yo.
Na oko ndawo sasizimakisha.
You're making me cry.
And you never give up, Shem. Never.
Woo, the sun child. I need a photo. This was honestly a cherry on top. Thank you so much, Kobisa Manata. I call it Gcuwa. Thank you very much, my friend. I love my gift. And thank you to Tomilo for wrapping my gift in such a unique manner. Love it so much. Thank you, friend. I can't wait to cook a storm or fry a storm and chop some veggies with my chopping board. Thank you very much. I know you do watch this channel, so thank you very much, my friend, from the bottom of my heart. I really do appreciate this. It was so unexpected, but it's such a beautiful gesture. Thank you very much. Hi loves, so I am going back home and the time now is 10:07. So it was a beautiful day and I think I'm gonna close this vlog here. I'm so sorry that the lighting is horrible. Let's try this. I think that's better. I don't know, but yeah, thank you so much, ladies, for an amazing day. Gcuwa and Annalisa, I had an amazing day. I don't know about you, but I had to wait so long. I had to wait so long for transport or for my man to get here, but it was an amazing day. I'm sure Gcuwa has gone home already. She's calling me right now. So thank you so much, my love. I will see you in my next video. I hope you're gonna enjoy this vlog. Yeah, thank you very much. Have a lovely evening and I love you so much. And please don't forget to subscribe, to like, comment and like this video. Like, if you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe. I would really appreciate that. And yeah, mwah.